guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a Hot Wheel case unboxing, Hot Wheel Case J. But before we get started into this, I do want to mention a new giveaway I'm doing on my merch store, shopemptyparadise.com. Giving away this Hot Wheel RLC 1994 Honda NSX. And this is the blue Spectra Flame one that actually has the light up headlights and taillights. Giving this away to one of you guys completely for free. And if you guys do want to increase your odds of winning, you guys hop onto my merch store, pick up some stuff, and get extra entries into the giveaway. A lot of the cars from this case will be on there. I do have multiple of these cases that came in. I'm just doing an unboxing on one of them. But if you guys are interested in any of these cars, definitely go check it out. shopemptyparadise.com. Link in the description down below. You guys can pick up some of these cars. But let me go ahead, bust this case open, and we can see what we got inside. Like I said, this is a 2026 J Case, and I'm super excited. This is the one that, if there is the Super, it would be the Subaru, which is a really cool looking car. This box is kind of damaged, and if there are any like really damaged ones, those are not going to be on my merch store. So yeah, only the good condition ones. But let's get started right up on top, especially on that dented corner. All right, ooh, that's a nice pull. So we have a Lalabrie, a tuned Volkswagen Golf Mark 1, and a PT Fast, which is actually a PT Cruiser. And none of those were damaged, and that's the corner of the box that was pretty messed up, which is kind of interesting. All right, oh wow, okay. We have a twin tags, which is kind of like a little keychain, kind of like they're moved before a flight tag like an airplane would have. We have a Lotus Sport Elise, and we have a Amaru GTC, and this one's exciting because this is, let's see if it, there we go. This is the regular treasure hunt for the case, which is pretty awesome. And there we go, right on the nose of it, I don't know if you can really see it, is the treasure hunt logo right there. So that is pretty exciting. Right on the very first pull, we got the treasure hunt. So, I don't know, that's pretty awesome. I'm going to set that aside, and let's move it right along here. Maybe that's a sign. Maybe we'll see what happens with the rest of this case. Okay, that's a nice pull. We got a Mach Speeder in a really nice color. And 64 Lincoln Continental, and another tuned Volkswagen Golf Mark 1. All right, we have a Mountain Mauler, a 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone, an 88 Mitsubishi Starion. We have a Roller Toaster, Porsche Taycan Turbo S, and a Datsun 620. Man, I love those Datsun trucks. Ooh, we got a nice car in this pull. There's a Purple Passion, but we have the 1982 Toyota Supra. This thing is super cool. And a Cadillac Solis. I don't even know how you say that. That right there. Celestique? I don't know. Alright, and we have a Mad Drip, which is kind of like a popsicle looking car. A Volkswagen ID Buzz Bomb, and a 2011 Corvette Grand Sport. Alright, we got a Super Twin Mill, Track Ripper, and a Chop and Block. Gone Mad, Hollerback, and another Mitsubishi Starion. There's been a lot of fantasy cars so far. There we go, that's some real cars. We got an Austin Mini Cooper S, a 70 Ford Escort RS 1600, and a Jaguar XJC V12 Coupe. Oh, that is a nice one. We have that black with red. We got the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. And we also have a black with red, but it's a 1983 Porsche 928S and the 2017 Audi RS6 Avant. And then we have a Pass and Go, which is the Monopoly like little car, but this one's colored. A 70 Buick GSX and a Mailed It. So the first half of the case, let's pull out the little divider and get into the bottom half, and we will see what we got in here. There's a lot of fantasies in that top half, so it's kind of interesting. All right, this is cool. We got a 69 Chevelle, We have a duck and roll, but this one's actually a Jeep Wrangler theme. You see how it has like a little Jeep grill in the front of it. So that one's pretty cool. And then we got a super twin mill. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice pull as well. A 63 Chevy 2, a Mercedes-Benz CLA Hot Wheel Edition, and a Batmobile. Oh, wow, okay. We got another one of those Cadillacs, a 1994 Audi Avant RS2 in a nice kind of like Nardo gray color. And we have the Formula One, it's the Kicksaber F1 team car, which is really cool looking. Oh, wow. We have the tuned version of the 70 Dodge Charger. Very similar to the Fast and the Furious one we previously saw. Got another Datsun 620 and a Rajan Express in really cool black and gold. Alright, we have another Mercedes-Benz CLA, a 5 alarm, and another PT Fast. Alright, 1983 Porsche 928S. Batmobile, and a 68 Shelby GT500, which looks pretty cool. Ooh, and another roller toaster, another Ferrari SF90 Stradale, and a Monster High Ghoulmobile. And like I said, if you guys are interested in picking up any of these cars, they are available at shopemptyparadise.com. 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. Mad Drip, another Volkswagen ID Buzz Bomb. Honestly, for the package being damaged, or the case being damaged, and shipping, I guess, like, none of the cars I've seen are actually damaged at all, which is great. 55 Chevy, Lalabrie, and a Mach Speeder. Getting close to the bottom here. Alright, we have another chopping block, Aston Mini Cooper S, and another Kicksaber F1 car. Alright, there is the What's Up, Lotus Sport Elise, and a Purple Passion. We haven't even seen the regular Subaru, so I'm really curious. There's only 3 cars left. So I'm curious to see what we got. Oh, we got the regular version. But it's still a really awesome car. So there it is. It is the Subaru Impreza WRX, and it's that iconic rally race livery. This thing is so cool. Getting the Supra, that would have been amazing, but I still think the regular version is pretty awesome. There's also a Desert Drifter and a head gasket. Like I said, if you guys are interested in picking up any of these cars, it will be available on shopemptyparadise.com. And like I said, every time you guys make a purchase on there, it gives you additional entries into the giveaway. So definitely go check it out. There's a rules tab on my website, so you can see all the rules and everything for the giveaway. This is going through all of July and all of August. So you guys have some time, but don't wait too long because you do not want to miss out on this one. This one is pretty awesome. But if you guys did like this video, go down and hit the like button. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, because I have a lot more cases coming all the time. And I love doing these unboxing videos. So let me know if you guys like it. And if you guys do, hit that subscribe button. But as always, thank you for watching.